People often wonder what chiropractic is. They've heard all kinds of rumors and ideas of what it is that chiropractic is or chiropractors do. So let's just give an idea, a clarification of what it is that the goal of a chiropractor and chiropractic is. Chiropractic is a branch of the healing arts, and its main goal is to remove interference from this nervous system that transmits what we call an innate intelligence to every single cell in the body. So every single function is controlled by the brain and then the nervous system as it maps out. And what happens is as the spine misaligns from different kinds of stressors, it impinges the ability of the nervous system to do what it's supposed to do. So our job and our goal as chiropractors is to remove that interference and allow the body to express itself as completely as possible, thereby allowing our patients to have a more full, vibrant life as a result. Our patients, of course, in chiropractic can range from anyone from the very young, from infant age, until the very elderly as well. It encompasses a nervous system that is one and the same for all of us. An impingement or interference can affect us all in each in different ways. And so there really is no limitation on how this works. And the beauty of it as well is that it really is a natural, holistic approach. So there isn't extreme amounts of intervention via chemical, pharmaceutical things or surgical intervention. It's hands-on or instrument, very easy, very comfortable, and many, many people benefit from it.